In today's video, we are going to learn about the history of HTML. 1989, Tim Berners-Lee invented www. 1991, Tim Berners-Lee invented HTML. 1993, Dave Raggett drafted HTML+. 1995, HTML Working Group defined HTML 2.0. 1997, W3C recommendation HTML 3.2. Here W3C stands for World Wide Web Consortium. 1999, W3C recommendation HTML 4.01. 2000 W3C recommendation XHTML 1.0. 2008 WHATWG HTML5 first public draft. Here WHATWG stands for Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group. 2012 WHATWG HTML5 Living Standard. 2014 W3C recommendation HTML5. 2016 W3C candidate recommendation HTML 5.1. 2017 W3C recommendation HTML 5.1 second edition. 2017 W3C recommendation HTML 5.2.